The first side hustle idea you can start is a small business. And you can create your own products or buy things in bulk and resell them at a higher price to make profit. And look at websites such as Alibaba and AliExpress to find the best prices when buying in bulk. If you want business ideas to start with, there's a separate video linked in the description below. The second side hustle is being a dog walker. It's an easy way to make money. It's also a good way to get your exercise while getting paid. It's also a nice way to bond with dogs. If you love dogs, then this job is for you. Start by asking your neighbors or relatives if they need anyone to walk their dogs. The third side hustle is doing yard work, and this might include raking leaves, mowing the lawn, and shoveling snow. So start by asking your neighbors if they need any work to be done around their house. The fourth side hustle is babysitting. It's a nice way to bond with children. You can start asking your relatives or neighbors if they need a babysitter and start telling them about your services. If you love kids, then this job is perfect for you.